Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. The time now is 11:07 in the night. It's really late, but I can't sleep because I have this very bad cough that won't let me sleep. Normally, I would use my lemon, salt, and honey mixture, and it works all the time. I haven't bought cough syrup in my house for almost a year now. I don't even have any cough syrup at home. But then, sorry, I saw this miracle leaf stuff online. I saw that it works for cough. So we'll be giving that a try this night. And luckily for me, I have the plants in my house. So I'll be going out now to get the leaf and do what they said we should do. And let's see if it's going to work, okay? And then I'll give you guys feedback. Let's do this. So this is the plant. It's miracle leaf. Okay, so I think we'll just pluck some. So they said you should wash it. I think this is clean now. Is it okay? We're going to be, so we are going to be burning this on fire. They said burn it on fire for a few minutes, and I'll be doing that. Yeah, this is it. Kobe, you've not slept, so we are going to be burning this. Anyway, okay, so I think it's okay now. This thing burns my hand. Oh, okay, so now I'm squeezing this out. I'm squeezing out the juice. But the color, I don't know. I think I burnt the leaf too much. This cough. I hate cough, eh? So this is what we got. This is really bitter. It doesn't taste nice, but it's not so bad. I hope this works because it's not sweet at all. Anyways, I'll be telling you guys if it worked. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, share, like. The cough has really scattered my voice. All right, so good night. Good morning. How was your night? Hope you slept well. It's a Saturday morning. The time now is 7:49 a.m. African time. So it's going to be a weekend vlog. I'm going to take you guys along with me on everything I'll be doing today. Back to the cough remedy that we did yesterday night. I was really coughing. I couldn't sleep at night, and I didn't have lemon to make the regular one that I do that works. Like I said, I haven't bought cough syrup in almost a year now, and I've been using this natural remedy and it's been working great. Like immediately you take it, it suits your cough and you sleep like a baby. Even if you're still going to cough, it won't be as harsh and as serious as when you take your regular conventional cough syrup. Okay, so after I took that miracle leaf water, I kept coughing. So if you ask me, did it work? I think it did, but not as good as the one I usually make, which is the lemon and salt. And if you want me to make a video on how to make that particular cough syrup that I make for myself and my children, please drop in the comment section and I'll do that in my next video. Okay, so would I rate it 10 over 10? No, I think I'm going to rate it 4 over 10. Maybe if I had taken it more, or maybe I need to take more of it for it to work. So that's what I think. But overall, it was better. Half bread is better than none, right? Because that cup didn't let me sleep at all.
2 hours later.
So we have strawberries. I ordered the strawberries from Joss and it arrived this evening. Okay, so berries. So we are done washing and I cut out the tail or whatever. What is it called? so that it will be easy to use once you bring it out from the freezer. These are the strong ones and these are the soft ones. So I'm going to be making use of this first so it doesn't go bad. Do you want strawberry? So I packed them in this Ziploc bags and I'll be putting them in the freezer. Okay. So this is all we got. Kobe bites you. Kobe bites you. Yeah, ofanya ushikekwano biko. Our okra soup is ready.
An eternity later.
Welcome back to my channel. We are outside. So we are going where?
Party.
Party. We are going to a friend's house party. It's just a little party. Ogini kwanu kwekwanu mkwo ye ncho ikugu. Are you guys the YouTuber or
Yes.
it's me?
Me and him.
Anyway, they've said it all. Ngwanu. We are here.
I don't.
One weekend of pampering later. 2.
Hello, can you do it? Let me see. Yeah, I need to. Yay! Were you happy? Yes, Baba! Guys, so we've come to the end of this vlog, and I want to say thank you so much for sticking around. Let me know the highlight of the video for you. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.